Look at this thing. If I told you this vehicle rolled straight off a concept stage or a sci-fi movie set, you believe me. But it didn't. This is sitting on dealership floors right now. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, kindly hit the subscribe button. Let's go. For years, the compact crossover and SUV market has been, let's face it, a bit boring. You had the same safe choices from Japan, the USA, and Europe dominating the roads. Safe, predictable, and visually plain. But right now, the automotive landscape is experiencing a massive power shift. Enter Changan, and specifically, this absolute weapon, the Changan UNI-T. People are calling it the new king of SUVs, and today we are going to find out exactly why. We'll dive into how a company that used to build military trucks turned into a global design powerhouse, check out the mind-bending tech that's crushing the competition, and figure out why, in 2026, this might just be the smartest car purchase you can make. Let's get into it. To understand why the UNI-T is a disruptive force, you have to realize that Changan didn't just appear overnight. They are actually one of the oldest industrial groups in China, with roots stretching back over 150 years into industrial manufacturing and military vehicles. But flash forward to 2017. Changan dropped a massive hint at the Shanghai Auto Show with the UU concept car. They wanted to build a lineup specifically for a younger, tech-obsessed generation. That became the Uni series, short for Universe. When the production version of the UNI-T officially launched worldwide, it shattered everyone's expectations. It ditched traditional, boring boxed styling for their radical Vision V design language. Look at this front fascia. There is no traditional frame around the grille. Instead, you have 150 diamond-shaped parametric elements integrated right into the bumper. Combined with the hidden electronic door handles that pop out as you approach, and that signature, split V-shaped rear spoiler designed to handle airflow at high speeds, it completely redefines road presence. It doesn't look like its competitors, it looks like it's eating them for breakfast. Alright, let's hop inside because the exterior is only half the story. The interior layout feels less like a standard crossover and more like a space battleship cockpit. Instead of a cluttered dashboard, you get a beautiful, unified dual 10.3-inch high-definition digital display. The screen is tilted slightly toward the driver, using smart adaptive backlighting to protect your eyes from fatigue. And check out this electronic gear shifter, it literally looks like something out of an interstellar expedition. But it's the underlying technology where Changan is genuinely dominating the SUV market. Let's talk about 3 game-changing tech pillars built into this car. 1. The smart fatigue and facial recognition system. A dedicated camera tracks your eye and facial movements. If you start to yawn or look distracted, the car gently alerts you. If you pick up a phone call, it automatically lowers the multimedia volume for you. That is pure intuitive luxury. 2. ARPA 5.0 Auto Parking Assist. Parallel parking stress is officially dead. You turn the system on, and the vehicle can automatically scan, find a parking space within 20 meters, and completely park itself without you touching the wheel. 3. Level 2 Autonomous Driver Assistance, ADAS, backed by 4 HD wide-angle surround cameras. Its integrated adaptive cruise control handles stop-and-go traffic jams, reads speed limits, keeps you centered in your lane, and acts as a 360-degree driving recorder that automatically saves footage if someone bumps your car. Now, looking cool and having great screens doesn't matter if the car drives like a golf cart. Under the hood, Changan brought out the heavy hitters with their BlueCore engine technology. Depending on your market, you're looking at a highly efficient 1.5-liter turbocharged engine pushing out 177 horsepower and a beefy 300 Newton-meters of torque, mated to a lightning-fast 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. If you want pure performance, there's even a 2.0-liter turbo version pumping out 233 horsepower with an 8-speed Aisin automatic gearbox. Because of its lightweight crossover platform and highly aerodynamic silhouette, it clears an incredible combined fuel economy of around 6.3 liters per 100 kilometers. It gives you the punchy throttle response of a hot hatch, but with the high riding visibility and utility of a family SUV. So, let's bring it all together. Why is the Changan UNI-T the vehicle you should actually consider putting your hard-earned money toward? It boils down to a single word: value. If you want this level of styling, a panoramic moonroof that filters out 97% of UV rays, a 5-star crash safety rating, and a level 2 autonomous driving suite from a traditional premium brand, you are easily looking at double the price tag. Changan isn't just trying to compete anymore. They are aggressively outspecking the legacy automakers. They are giving you tomorrow's technology at today's realistic prices, backed by massive global warranties. It's practical, it's remarkably reliable, and every single time you park it, you're going to look back over your shoulder just to stare at it. But hey, I want to know what you think. Is the Changan UNI-T officially the new king of the compact SUV market, or would you stick to the traditional options? Drop a comment down below and let's start a debate. If you enjoyed this deep dive walkthrough, hit that like button, smash subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming track test with this beast, and share this video with anyone who's looking for a new ride. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.